Hello everybody, my name is Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my subscription from Sterling Ink. So it just came in the mail literally 2 minutes ago, and I thought I would share it while my son is sleeping and my daughter is being quiet. So let's break this open and see the goodies inside. Okay, so this is the lovely package. It is wrapped in green tissue paper this time. The last time it was white tissue paper. And it has this pretty sticker, so I think I'll try to save it. This is so cute. I saved the last one, but I don't know if I used it because it's a little thick to use in my Hobonichi. But I will just save it for now, and then I'll peel this stuff off afterward. Okay, I'll set that aside. So I'm just going to open up both of these packages and remove the plastic. Oh no. Okay, so this is, I think I said June earlier, but this is my July subscription from Sterling Ink. I said June. It's only because it's June 13th today, so this does come super early. It is for July. So it's really nice. I actually have used up most of my June kit, and it's not quite the end of June yet, but that's my goal with these products, is not to save them. I have been using them in my Hobonichi Cousin, so my A5 Hobonichi. I use it as my journal. I'll share that with you guys because I think the only spot I've used that is really, or where I've shared it is, I think I did it in a YouTube short, but it's really only on Instagram when I've shared this. So the spot where I use my stickers from Sterling Ink anyway is mostly in the dailies. So you can see here I use fountain ink colors that kind of match the stickers I'm using, or at least I try to. The pink ones are from somewhere else. But here's another for June. This was the June from Sterling Ink. Oh yeah, here I use the regular sticker from the June kit. And then this was the Vellum. I printed this out myself. And yeah, so I just have been using them throughout May and June. All right, so that is it for that. Okay, so here is the Vellum. So you get 2 sheets of Vellum, and usually one sheet is a bit different than the other. So this one is plain. This has pears on it. I think these are grapes or figs. I think they're figs. And then some flowers. And then this one has like this kind of like paint stripe element behind. So that's the difference there. And the Vellum is not too thin, but it's also not super thick either. So it's good to use in a journal like a Hobonichi. It won't bulk up your planner or journal too much. All right. So the first thing that I like to kind of point out here, you get these date stickers. So I kept my date stickers from June as well, and they're not dated, so really you can use them for whenever, so that's perfect. I kept mine because sometimes I will use these in my planner, and actually my budget planner from the Budget Mom, that is undated, so these actually work really, really well. These are the date, like the day of the week stickers, and they're cute. They have like little icons of what was included in the kit. Some of them are just blank, but I do like this script. It's really pretty. And I do get the translucent matte version. I also have this B6 size Vellum that comes with, And this, I usually cut this one down and I'll put this in my, I think it's my Hobonichi Weeks, which I use for my tracking all of my son's health things. So I'll put that in there. And then for my A5 for my Hobonichi, I just print that out myself. Okay, so then when it comes down to the rest of the stickers, I like to open this little card first. Cute. Okay, so it's like a little easel. I love this. I paint myself, and so that is just so cute. You get a little thank you card, which has this. So cute. Apparently this is a sticker. It is just a little square of the month, and it's, like I said, a sticker. You get July. I love the greenery in here. It's really pretty. And then this is to put on like little page tabs. And then this one is just a little mini sample. Okay, so for the bulk of the stickers here, so you do get, oh, I never even noticed this last time. This is really only my second subscription that I've received from Sterling Ink. So this one, which came in the small package, was type lettered, and this one's script. Those are both lovely. Again, I appreciate that they are not dated like with the year, because I didn't use June's either, so I'm going to keep these and then use them in a planner, an undated planner, or my budget planner or something. That would be really pretty. I actually really like these. I like the color. I like how dark they are and just the colors involved in these. Okay, so here's, I always get the deluxe version, so I have the stamps included in mine, and they are quite cute when I put them in my planner. I really like them. I'm totally getting purple and green vibes. So this one, I don't really understand how to use this. Like, basically they're just like tiny little strips. The only ones I used were the long strips, and I use them kind of like a washi tape in my planner. But the short ones, I don't really know how to use them. Because if I have washi strips, I like to have jagged edges on. These are the larger decorative stickers. They're like the ripped paper looking. Those are really cute. I like that there's like a painter aspect in here. Okay, these are picture frames, which are also adorable. And then these are the larger decorative. So here's a big washi strip. I like this because the ends of it, they're not straight. It's like the flowers are all over. Those are really pretty. Okay, and you get two of those. These both have silver foil and detail. This one here, I've got this really big sticker. This is so cute. I love this. I'm in love with this one. Purple's my favorite color, but I just like how the purple and the green go together, and then they've got like that little orange flower accent with these other flowers. They're so pretty. I never use these either, so I'm not sure what I'll use those for because they're pretty tiny. Okay, and then you have, how many of these do you get? Okay, these are all different. Okay, so these are little, there's a couple of little strips here too. That one, it's hard to tell on the translucent paper. These are the minis, like little mini flowers and decorative elements. Like, some of them are really tiny. These are a bit bigger. Love that paint palette, so cute. Okay, and then some other ones that are different, and then these ones here, the larger stickers. I love like these ones. Oh, these are really pretty, you guys. But that is it for this kit. But usually I try to make them last like a whole 30 days before I get my next kit, and I will use these in my journal. So that is it for this little haul. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. This actually feels really nice. It feels like silky smooth. I don't know what paper that's made out of, but it's really nice. All right. So thank you guys so much for checking this out. This is, again, the July subscription box from Sterling Ink. And oh, I can't wait to just kind of put this in my planner. And probably, because it is only June 13th, I'm going to try to use the remainder of my stickers from June, because I don't want to use these yet. But I'm not saving them either, so I'm not hoarding them. As soon as I use them, like I finish a page, that sticker page goes in the garbage. Like I can't hoard them because I have so many planner supplies, you guys. It gets crazy after a while. Through my many years of planning, I've done quite a few giveaways on YouTube and stuff, and I'm going to start using up my stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, please subscribe. Click on the bell notification button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.